guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've never done a video like this before. I'm going to be doing a first impressions video, and just to start off, I have a little bit of a spiel, but it's good. A few weeks ago, I was contacted by a girl that I went to college with. Her name is Brittany. Hi, Brittany. And she reached out to me. She is a consultant for the company called Arbonne. Arbonne is a company that produces 100% cruelty-free, organic, healthy, just all around good for you kind of products, and she asked if I would like to sample a few of products that she is selling, and I was like, duh, sure. So this video is not only to watch me try these products, but it's also to get you guys, my subscribers, interested in Arbonne, and maybe we can hook you up with Brittany to try out some of the products that she's selling. And I just think it's a really great company. I think their message is great. I'll have their information all linked down below, including Brittany's contact information if you want to get in touch with her. So let's just get right into the video. So Brittany was super great, and she mailed over a bunch of samples for me to try. There's so many things, and I'm so excited. I haven't tried any of these things yet, so this is like really a real deal first impressions, like no clickbait, no nothing. In their book, they have an ingredient policy, so it is 100% real, like organic, healthy for you, all good for you kind of products. The things that are not allowed in their products are animal products or byproducts, artificial flavors, artificial sweeteners, all these things I can't pronounce, and it's a good thing because if you can't pronounce it, it probably shouldn't be going on your skin. It's 100% vegan, it's certified gluten-free, and there is zero tolerance for testing on animals, and I think that is just like the best thing ever. In their catalog, they show all their products. They do essential oils, they do skincare, bath and body, fitness, like fitness powders if you do protein powders or things like that, shake mix. It's exciting. And I'm so happy that Brittany contacted me and she wanted to team up to do this, and I just want to say thank you, Brittany. You're amazing. So let's get right into the products because I'm excited. Let's go with the fitness stuff first. So she sent along this paper. It says, what's in my sample day fit kit? So she sent along a protein shake mix. Ooh, and I got chocolate. Your girl loves chocolate. Add this into like a smoothie. It's completely gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free. So if you're lactose intolerant, like your girl over here, I'm kind of lactose intolerant, can't take a lot of cheese or milk. And a lot of protein powders I found bother my stomach because they're not or gluten-free or dairy-free. So I feel like this one is a good place to start. I'm definitely going to use this before I go to the gym or after I go to the gym. She sent along 2 energy fizz sticks. Oops, I'm dropping everything. They're like little drink mixes like that, and I think you add them to water and you can have them, let's see, high energy fizz sticks help promote alertness and enhance cognitive performance, and also help promote endurance and enhance motor performance. So I would probably do these before I go to the gym, just to like get some little extra energy. This is an Herbal Detox Tea Bag, and you just treat it like regular tea. And it says, part of your daily routine, a delicious, mild, decaffeinated herbal tea with 9 botanicals that support the liver and kidneys for overall health. So, it smells very herbal. So that's all the fitness stuff. Now let's get into the skincare and makeup stuff, which is like my cup of tea. She sent along 2 sets of gel eye masks, and she had to put them in plastic baggies so they didn't leak everywhere. The gel masks are part of the skincare line. They help with puffy looking eyes and like creases around the eyes, and you just put these on for 15 minutes. So I think these are really cool. I want to see if they have a scent. They're not really scented, they just smell like clean and good, so I'm kind of excited to try these out, so that'll be cool. Next is the exciting stuff. She sent, oh my gosh, she sent lip glosses, foundation, and lipstick. What else? This is eyeshadow and mascara, makeup primer. Like, can you sense my excitement right now? Like, I love trying new makeup products, and I'm just gonna swatch a couple things. I've never really done this. I don't do videos like this, so this is like a new type of video for me, and I'm really excited. Let's start with the lip glosses. I'm not really a lipstick person, but I am a lip gloss person. So the inside of the card looks like this. This is just the sample. You can order like the full size of these if you love them. This is how it comes. It comes in like these little pots, and on the back it gives you all the names. So I'm gonna try Primrose, because that's like a really pretty color. I love how like they come apart like individually, and even like the sample sizes that she sent, like I could pack this away if I'm like going out and I'm like, oh, I just need a little bit of lip gloss. So I'm gonna try Primrose, and I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys. I've never done this. This is so exciting. It's like a nice light pink, like nude color. I'm definitely gonna like that. And the products smell good. Like they smell really good. It feels really light. Like, I know it's a lip gloss, so it's gonna be like thin, but it's like nice and soft. It feels natural. It doesn't feel like you're pounding like a lot of things on your lips. Now I'm gonna move on to the lipsticks. I think those are really cool. I'm gonna swatch one. Which one do I want to do? I'm gonna go for a bold color this time. I'm gonna go for like the red. So this one's, the one that I'm gonna do is called Poppy, and I'll do it on like the inside of my arm so you can actually see it, not like my tan hand. It's really soft. Again, it's like, it just like feels like, yeah, I'm meant to put this on my skin. And it's not like super pigmented. This is the color, and I think it's really pretty. Like, I know I'm not gonna put it on my lips, but I think that's a really pretty color, and now it's all over my hands. But that's okay. It also comes with a teeny tiny tube of makeup primer, and I'm just gonna, again, these products, like, I don't know, you know how some products have like a bit of a scent and it's like really overwhelming? Like, this doesn't. It just smells like pleasant and light and airy. Like, there's no real like scent fragrance thing going on your skin. It just like all smells really natural. I'm gonna go into the foundations, and I'm really happy that the sample includes all these shades. Like, this is a lot of shades, and I'm really happy that this brand is like inclusive of all shades, because if you've been to a few makeup stores, some companies are not shade friendly, let's just say. There's not a wide variety of shades for every kind of skin tone, from light all the way to deep, but this company has a wide variety of shades, and I just think that's really considerate of them. And yes, we should all do that. I'm gonna try Buff. I'm really not good at shade matching. I feel like this one's too dark. Maybe this one? Fair. No. But like, my arm is so tan compared to my face. Is anyone else having that problem? Ooh, liquidy. Okay, I need to find a clean finger. Alright, I'm just gonna put a little bit. Alright, that's a little bit too light for me. Whoa, did anyone realize I took a teeny tiny bit on my finger, and look how like far it goes. One sec, I need to get a beauty blender to like blend this out, because I don't know why I'm doing it with my fingers. Alright, so I have my beauty blender, and I'm gonna try and just like blend it in. Again, I think it's too light, but still. Actually, I think it's good. I know I've said this for the other products, but there's no fragrance. Like, it just smells like fresh and normal, and like what I think makeup should smell like. I think fair, also pale. Thanks, Arbonne, you're calling me pale. No, I'm not offended. But fair is definitely my color in this one. Moving on to my favorite part. Eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. Let's open these little babies up. Oh my gosh. She sent over all these eyeshadow cards. Like, I thought I was only going to get one. This is like amazing. Alright, so I have, it's called Arbonne. It's All in the Eyes. Look at all these shades. These are so nice. Like, I love these. Oh my gosh, you could like make a palette out of all of these. I'm gonna try Sequoia. It's a little bit deeper. Ooh. That's the color. That's the color on this finger. That's so pigmented, and I love it. Look at these colors. It's shiny, sorry. Look at these colors. These are like made for my eyes. She sent over this little teeny tiny tube of mascara, and I just think it's like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, look at this. It's like a tube of mascara. I've never seen like packaging like this before. I think that's so cool. Whoa, look at it, it's so cute. All these things just smell fresh. I know I've just been saying that like for everything, but they just don't have strong scents, and I like that in makeup because that's just how makeup should be, you know? Last but not least, this is their skincare line. It is called Pure Safe Beneficial RE9 Advanced. Their #1 anti-aging skincare line. And you get all these little tubes. These are like, oh my god, I could do a whole skincare routine with just these tubes. So you get a facial cleanser, a toner, a renewal serum, a corrective eye cream, a restoring cream with sunscreen in it, ooh, moisture cream, and a night repair cream. Like, that is so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was like a little choppy because I've never done a first impressions video before, so I think I was just like overwhelmed by all the products that I had, but I'm so excited to try these. By the way, I am going to be doing a week in my life vlog, and I'm going to be incorporating all of these products into my week, and I'm going to be giving like full reviews on the products, because sometimes first impressions don't really give you the full review because you're just looking at it, smelling it, using it one time. You don't really know all the benefits that could come out of it. So I'm going to be using all these products for the next week, and that vlog is going to go up next weekend, and I'm so excited to do this. Brittany and I have been talking about this for a few weeks, and I'm just so excited that it's finally coming to life. And again, I just want to thank Brittany through Arbonne, and I'm really glad to be in contact with her again. I haven't talked to her in so long, and it's just great. YouTube really does bring people together, and I love it. And I'm so excited to use all of these products, and a big thank you again to Brittany for sending all these products. I really hope all of you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I am leaving Brittany's contact information down below and a link to Arbonne's website for you to check out their products, see what they're all about, and hopefully you'll start to enjoy them like I am. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!